Hey travelers, big news just dropped from the TSA, and if you're packing for a flight in 2025, you need to hear this. The Transportation Security Administration just updated their banned items list, and some of these are going to shock you. We're talking about everyday items you probably never thought twice about packing in your checked luggage. Stick around because if you don't know these new rules, you could be forced to throw away your stuff, or even face fines. First, why is the TSA suddenly banning these items? Well, security threats are always evolving, and the TSA has to adapt. Some of these items pose safety risks in cargo holds, while others could be used in dangerous ways. Plus, with new tech and increased air travel, they're tightening the rules to keep everyone safe. Alright, let's get into the full list. These are items you cannot pack in your checked baggage anymore. Some are still allowed in carry-ons, but we'll clarify that too. Yep, you heard that right. Power banks and spare lithium batteries over 100 watt-hours are now completely banned from checked luggage. Why? Because they can overheat and cause fires in the cargo hold. You'll still be allowed to bring them in your carry-on, but they must stay with you. Vapers, listen up. All e-cigarettes and vape devices are now banned in checked bags due to fire risks. You can bring them in your carry-on, but using them on a plane is still illegal. Surprise! Those travel-sized dry shampoos and spray deodorants, if they're aerosol, they're no longer allowed in checked bags unless they're under 3.4 ounces and in a clear bag. Bigger cans must stay at home. Remember when hoverboards were exploding a few years ago? Well, the TSA hasn't forgotten. They're now completely banned in both checked and carry-on luggage. Here's a weird one. You can still bring one lighter in your carry-on, but they're now banned in checked bags. No exceptions. Sports fans, check this. Some equipment like baseball bats, hockey sticks, and golf clubs are still allowed, but lithium-powered smart gear, like electric skateboards, are now banned in checked luggage. If you're a photographer, be careful. Loose lithium batteries for cameras or drones cannot go in checked bags. They must be in your carry-on, in a protective case. Tools with lithium batteries or fuel-powered engines like some drills or chainsaws are now banned in checked luggage. Hand tools are still okay, but double-check before you fly. So what if you accidentally pack one of these items? Well, at best, TSA will pull your bag for inspection and remove the item. At worst, you could face fines up to $15,000 or even get delayed for questioning. Not worth it. Here's how to avoid getting caught out. Check tsa.gov before you pack. They update rules all the time. Use TSA's What Can I Bring? Tool. Just type in an item and it'll tell you if it's allowed. When in doubt, leave it out. Better safe than sorry. So there you have it, the TSA's 2025 banned items list for checked bags. Did any of these surprise you? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more travel tips, and hit the bell so you don't miss updates. Safe travels, and I'll see you in the next video.